This is the screencast for section 4.5, example 4. We're going to solve a trigonometric equation graphically. So yes, you get to use your calculator. Find the smallest positive number x, so we're looking from left to right, such that x squared equals the cosecant of x. So what I did is in y1, I put, here we are, in y1 I put x squared, and in y2 I don't have a cosecant button, so I had to put 1 over sine of x, no big deal. And then my window, I made negative 2 pi to 2 pi for my x min and x max, my y min and y max, I just tried 5, we'll see how that goes. And then when I graph, if you notice, oh, there we go. If you notice, there's definitely an intersection here. Now it looks like there's going to be an intersection here somewhere too. So if I want to adjust my window, maybe I'll make my y max, I don't know, 10 will probably be too high, but we'll give it a shot. And I mean, I do see another intersection right there, but first of all, it's asking for the smallest positive number x, such that x squared equals cosecant of x. So if I'm looking for a smallest number of x, you're not looking for the lowest number, because low is a y direction. You are looking for the, I guess, leftist? The leftist. Yay! You're looking for the point to the farthest left, so we're going to calculate that intersection. So the x value that I got was 1.07. Again, I'm not looking for the y value. I'm looking for the x value. Ooh, x equals in purple. The y value in this case represents what the left and the right side would actually equal. So if I plug in 1.07 and square it, and I take the cosecant of 1.07, they both would equal 1.14. Alright, then now try problem number 39. It says use a calculator to solve for x in the given interval. The cosecant of x equals 2. Now, you actually don't need a calculator to solve this problem because you already know the cosecant of what is 2? We'll see if you're right in a second. But we are going to use the calculator just to give it a shot. You should know what your answer is supposed to be, which will help you get the right one. So I'm going to put in y1 cosecant, which is 1 over the sine of x. Again, don't have a cosecant button. And then in y2, I'm just going to put 2. My x min can stay at negative 2 pi, x max at positive 2 pi. I only need to go up to positive 2, so I'm going to set my y max for 5, and I'll hit graph. So between 0 and 2 pi, I actually might have 2 different answers. And I know I have 2 different answers. So let's find those intersections. Second calc intersect. There are 2 angles who have a trig ratio cosecant of that angle would be positive 2. So my 2 intersection points I got were x equals 0.52 and x equals 2.62, which you know better as pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6, respectively.